Hello, Paul here from EMD again. This is the same car. We're doing the actual door lock. So now we actually fitted the door lock with the end. Don't forget to put the anti-theft cover. This one here. So now we put everything back together. Put a rivet through here. Oop, take that one off. Rivet through there. That one there, sorry, right there. And that part there goes here, marked there. So now we're going to actually activate the lock. So we're going to activate the lock on the car, this one here, lock, and that should move down to lock. So before we put everything back together, you got to make sure it's working. Otherwise, you're going to put the whole door frame in and nothing works, and it's going to be a big job taking out again. Okay, let's lock it. See that move down? That's locked. So we're going to try to actually open the car door. Can't open it. Now we're going to try to open this door by pulling on this mark, the little lever here. Can't open it. See? Can't open it. That means the door is locked. So now we're going to unlock. That will move back up like that. And then this time, if I pull the little lever, this lock here, because I've locked it with the actual screwdriver there. So now if I pull on the lever, you can hear the actual lock unlock. You see this one here pop off. See that? Now that's unlocked. So now everything's working, so we're happy with that. So we're gonna install everything back on the car, and then put the door frame and the door skin there, and the actual door trim back on the car, and then test it again one more time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.